Let me introduce myself to you all. I'm Shivali Jain. I'm the co-founder of Global Edge. We are education consultants with an experience of more than 11 years. My team has counseled more than 57,000 students till now, and we are helping students in more than 21 countries, okay, for gaining admission and study abroad options. Now, the uniqueness is that we represent all Irish universities, institutes, and colleges. We are authorized representatives, and we work directly with them. Now, let me get you started with introduction of Ireland. This is how the map of Ireland looks. It's a part of European Union. So it's an island actually. It's surrounded by water, and the capital is Dublin, the largest city probably in Ireland right now. But the important cities are Dublin. There is Cork here. Then there is Galway here, which is also very sought after. Then there is Limerick and Maynooth. Maynooth is probably 40 minutes away from Dublin, which is also a very popular destination among students to go to study. The language spoken in Ireland is English mostly. They have Irish language, but English is most commonly used. It's a part of European Union, and it is one of the fewest countries in which English is the primary language in Europe. So everything, in Europe, basically the thing is that they have their own languages like France, French, German, but Ireland has English as its main language. The time difference is 4.5 hours behind India, and probably the flight will take around 8 hours from Delhi to Dublin, and it's 40 minutes from London. So, the temperature and all, if you compare it to UK, it will be very similar because it's just a 40-minute flight to London. So, London is towards the east. The currency of Ireland is euro. 1 euro is approximately 85 rupees. So, they are using the euro. Now, some facts about Ireland. Ireland is an English-speaking country. I just said that. It's very safe and very friendly, and it is very welcoming also. It has world-class universities. So when we'll go further down, you will realize that the universities and the way the infrastructure is actually par excellence. Masters in Ireland is for 1 year, okay, and the courses are very job specific. Now, the most important thing about Ireland is that it is a home to more than 1,500 multinationals. So you name a multinational company and it has its European headquarters in Ireland. There are plenty of reasons for this to be: the tax rate and the language, English language, and the proximity, and all the Fortune 500 companies have their headquarters in Ireland. Okay, so it's a very hot destination amongst multinational companies. It is the world's second largest exporter of software. So actually it is called the Silicon Valley of Europe. And anybody who's in the software trade or who's into IT, they know how about Ireland with their work or even with their research and studies. 8 out of 10 global ICT companies, those are technology companies, are based in Ireland. Okay. There's a lot of R&D happening in Ireland for software and the growth, and a lot of technology development happens here. Ireland has 15 of the top 20 medical device companies. Okay, so we'll take on the companies later, but again, for pharma, medical students, it is a hub, and very good job opportunities are there for them. So Ireland has a very stable economy. The GDP is very stable, it's growing, and job opportunities are plenty. We have an office, and this is the email ID, counseling@globaledge.net.in. If you want to send your documents in there, we can assess them and come back to you. We help in all these things, that is counseling, shortlisting, applications, admissions, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation.